Welcome in, welcome in. Today we're looking at the KM16 and the KM17. They come in this retail packaging in this nice little cute box, as well as the switch containers included. So this is a nice value add. Previously, there's already been KM16 only as the Wingtree ducts. That was done with the Protos. So today we're looking at the retail versions of both the KM16 and the KM17. Today I'm using both boards and both PCBs to run this back-to-back. Technically, just a disclaimer, this one's got copper weight, this one's got brass weight. But as you saw in the video where we compared the weights directly, the sonic differences are minuscule. Like the switches will make far more difference to overcome any differences in the weight. This one will be the KM16s. Right now this one's got MX Blacks, but you'll see with the Bingsu, that one is KM17. I'm going to do a back-to-back of all three of these combined. So you're going to get KM16, KM17, and MX Blacks as a reference as you guys requested for the polling. All right, you're going to get the back-to-backs as well. I'm going to add the spacebar spamming between the KM16 and 17 as that was requested in one of the comments that they wanted to hear spamming of spacebars back-to-back directly. So you'll also get those two. I didn't record the MX Blacks, but everybody knows what MX Black sounds like. If you're trying to decide between KM16 and KM17, the spacebar matters to you, you're going to hear it in the back-to-back, immediately after the back-to-back. The material polling was split. Half of you could care less what these were made of as long as they sounded good, and the other half do care about the switch specs. I'm going to try to keep it as fast as I can. I'm just going to flash them on the screen. You guys can hit pause. The only major difference between these two is they both share the same PC top housing and the PA66 bottom housing, but the stem material in the KM16 is LY, and in the KM17, it's modified UPE. Now, the modified UPE did have some tiny bit of ticking when I was hunting very hard for it. In normal typing, you may not hear it. I do have that raw stuff where I'm doing the tick hunting in the members area. The members area is not really set up for premium content. It's literally where I'm going to toss all my junk. It's somewhere that you guys can go if you just want to hear raw sound tests and like you're bored enough to listen to me hit P, 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 O, 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 I, and you're interested in listening for tick. That's where it sits. It's just a junk box, a sandbox where I'm going to throw everything. Don't look at it as you're subscribing for premium content. Look at it as you're just buying me a coffee. I can't throw those in the main channel because it'll screw up all the metrics. The retention will be down the tank. Like the views will be crap. Like it's just bad for my channel in general. But in a sandboxed area separate from everything else, it's fine and you guys can play in there. But really, you don't have to. I'm telling you right now, it's not premium content. It's not edited. But it's something that's there that I can throw stuff in. And you guys, if you're nerdy enough and care enough, go for it. But really, it's a coffee. I appreciate you. Thank you. Here come the sound tests. Welcome back. Welcome back. Please slam that like button if you've enjoyed the content. If you really love the content, hit that super thanks button that's hiding in here. It's a brand new thing that's a new way for you guys to support me. Buy me a coffee. The members area, I probably don't need to worry about it too much yet until I build up a significant amount of library in there for you. Or you could just hit it if you want to support me and buy me a coffee that way. Now, these two switches, they're actually quite good. When I first ran the protos, I thought they were pretty good. Running them now, the retail versions, they come with these nice containers. Honestly, pretty good. Now, I would have run these with Sunset Gleams as the reference, but Gleams probably would have beat these guys. You guys chose to go with MX Blacks as the reference. These guys have the advantage on MX Blacks with the long pole cheat code. If you like long pole and you don't like cherry scratch and you like smooth, loud switches, even though these are technically deeper than MX Blacks, they're on the deeper end of the spectrum as far as my channel goes. I think they sound pretty damn good. Those long poles are hitting nice. I like both of these. Let me know in the comments if the spacebar spamming is something you want to see on every sound test from now on, back to back. The spamming of spacebars, I thought it was all right, but at the same time, it's like, what does that actually tell you? Are you actually going to switch your purchase based on the spacebar spamming? I think it's more valid in actual typing because nobody's actually going to be spamming spacebars. You're going to have it interspersed with your alphas. But let me know in the comments about that. Okay, next up, I'm going to do the same thing, but with the tactile versions, the BM10s and the BM11s, which are the old high tunes and the old gold stems. Let me know if there's improvements I can make, because, this is 2026. I'm trying to create all this content for you guys. Thank you again for all the support. Thank you again for 1,000 subs. Oh, one more thing. Ever since I hit 1,000 subs, I'm starting to get emails for collaborations for products that are adjacent to keyboards that aren't necessarily keyboards. I have been turning them down because I don't think we're going to get the viewerships. Like when I get the EPO Maker stuff, nobody watches it. When I run my own stuff with the Legion Go S Steam Deck, nobody watches it. Let me know in the comments if I should actually start doing it. I've gotten requests for IEMs, $20 IEMs from AliExpress. I refuse that. I got a Rapu mouse, which is like an MX3 mouse, Logitech mouse clone, basically a contender, I guess you could say. I declined that. I got some Finite gaming headphones, RGB headphones. I declined that. Let me know if I should continue declining those or you actually want to see adjacent consumer products. I'm reluctant to do it because I think the metrics aren't going to do well. People aren't going to watch it. And on top of that, it's like it's keyboard adjacent, kind of, but it's more towards gaming. And personally, I'm not really qualified. Like, what am I supposed to do? I put the headphones on. Yeah, they work. Yeah, the mic works. Yeah, these are pretty good, but I don't really game. What can I tell you about a mouse? It works. It's wireless. It works. It's got Bluetooth. It connects to 7 devices, whatever, right? And IEMs is like, you guys can't even hear it. I can just show you the wires and be like, this is nice. I guess. Is it nice, though? Am I qualified to talk about that? Do I have other IEMs to compare it to? You know what I mean? So right now I've been refusing all these new collaborations, but let me know in the comments if it's something you want to watch or stick to what we do best here, which is clack. Peace out.